happy. Where are we?
ISYC!
We're in ISYC! Are you excited? So why are we here, Lauren?
Because
We are gonna reserve for Lauren to go to yes, ISYC for senior nursery. Parang kailan lang si Kuya El dati.
Yes!
Now,
No.
now it's Lauren's turn, right?
Yeah!
Woohoo! Happy for you, baby. Go down?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Bye. See.
Hi, Lauren.
Hi, guys.
Excited for today.
Yes.
This is where Kuya El graduated. Member siya, nag-post siya.
Yes. Oh. Kuya El graduated here, baby.
What did he do there?
He posted.
Si Hi lang, she's her friend eh. Friend sila teacher eh.
Nahiya.
Hi! So we are officially reserved sa ISYC. How are you feeling, Lauren? Happy ka?
Yeah.
Happy ka? Yes, ang saya bumalik. After 2 years, nakabalik kami sa ISYC and happy to see familiar faces and mostly excited for Lauren sa new, sa new chapter again of her life. Excited ka na ba, Lauren? Excited. Pero pinaka-excited yata kami kasi nga, nung time ni Layton na senior nursery siya, hindi pa kasing dami ng activities na meron ngayon since parang pandemic. So, online si Layton nun. So, ngayon, on-site si Lauren for senior nursery. So, we're excited for all the activities na she's gonna experience. And mostly excited ako na makita siya naka-uniform. Lauren, yes? You're excited? Yes. You're so excited for everything sa coming school year. So, I hope mag-enjoy din siya with ISYC as much as Kuya enjoyed yung ISYC stay niya. We're just so happy na finally si Lawrence entering ISYC also. Hi. What are you feeling?
Good.
You're feeling good? You're excited with your school? Your new school? Okay. And then excited for new friends. She tried pala kanina yung playground and mukha naman siya nag-enjoy. Nakita pa niya yung kanyang friend. Di ba, Lauren? Oh, yan. So, we're so excited. Maraming mga activities to come before the school year starts. So, yeah. We're happy. So, before we end this video, Lauren has to say something.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And subscribe. See you on our next video. Bye!
Bye.